Right. So yesterday we discussed about the waterfall methodology, right, Avinash?
Correct.
Yeah. Do you have any doubts in that?
No, 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 it's fine.
Right. So if not, so we can jump into the Agile methodology.
You got it.
Right. Okay, let me copy paste this. No, you don't miss the right. So see here, Agile methodology is a project management approach. Okay. So what does it mean by project management approach? Okay. So here, Agile methodology. So we have discussed about SDLC previously, right? So how the SDLC is in waterfall methodology?
So as they say, basically, like in waterfall, you have to go through one stage at a time, and it actually process like once the design is done, then you can go with the testing, and once the testing is done, then you can
Like
go with the
a stage
deployment.
by
So like a
stage.
stage by, yes, correct, like phase
Right?
by phase or stage by stage.
Yes. If one phase is completed, so we are going for the second stage, and there is no going backward, right or
Yeah,
wrong?
like there's no way. Okay, absolutely
But here in Agile methodology, we can go back.
correct, correct.
Okay, in Agile methodology, if there is any sort of issues are there, so if we need to confirm anything other also, we can go back.
We can go
So
back.
yeah, how we can go back? I will explain in the diagrammatical way. It is going to take 2 days.
Okay.
Okay, it will take 2 days, so no worries about it. But we will understand very clearly. Okay, if it takes 3 days also, no problem in that. Okay, Manoj, it is taking 3 days. Okay, based upon your understanding, we can go ahead. Okay, right. So how the SDLC will be here? It will be an iterative process. Okay, this Agile methodology will be in iterative process. What it is meant by iterative means, if here we are working in a sprint wise.
Correct.
Okay, if you don't understand about the sprint also, no problem in that. Okay, just understand sprint. Okay,
got it.
Sprint is nothing but it's a iterative. Just know about the gun, right? If the mag is fully completed, okay, fired all the bullets from the gun, what you do? You will reload it, right or wrong? Here also the same thing. We are working in a sprint. Sprint is nothing but a mag, okay, gun mag. Okay, if the mag is completed, what we are doing? We are reloading it. Here also the same thing. In sprint, we are taking some tickets. Okay, how we are taking, Manoj? We have a process, but understand like this. Okay, if you understand this basic, so then we can go for an advance. Okay, just now the mag of bullets, just consider 10 bullets are there in a mag, in a pistol. Okay, 10 bullets are completed. What you do? You will reload the mag. 10, 11, 12, right? Or it might be 1, or it might be 2, 3, 4, 5, right or wrong?
Correct.
Based upon your requirement. Right? There are 10 targets are there, but you hit with 7 bullets. Sorry, in 7 bullets, sorry, in 10 bullets, you hit 7 targets. Remaining how many bullets you required?
3 more, right?
3 more, right or wrong? But you load 3 more only, right? You don't reload 10, right?
10, correct.
Right. So here also the same thing. Based upon the requirements, you are going to work in an iterative process.
Right.
Okay. So Manoj, previously you said that we are reloading the bullets. That bullets is called as the tickets, right? How these tickets will be increased, right? So just consider in a sprint you completed 10 tickets, 10 bullets you fired. Next, you have taken 5 more.
Right.
What you have to do? You have to add the bullets here. If you add the bullets, then it is going to be incremental.
Okay.
Okay. So those are not in independent tickets, independent bullets, right? So you already fired it. You already completed the mag. If anyone asks you how many mags you completed, what you will say? I have completed 10 mags. 10 into 10, 100 bullets, right or wrong? You won't say that right now I'm having only 10, right?
Right.
So already I have completed 10 max.
Uh-huh.
Here also the same thing. Based upon that incremental process, we can easily make our work very flexible in agile methodology. Okay, here the SDLC approach will be different. Based upon the SDLC only we are working, right or wrong?
Right.
In waterfall methodology, we worked in agile methodology. Sorry, in waterfall methodology, we used SDLC in a phases. How the phases will be in a what we can say linear flow.
Correct, linear flow. That's
But
better.
here it will be in a circular flow.
Okay,
it will be in a circular flow. Okay,
got it.
Right, let me show you diagram. Let me take the circle. So how it will be? It will be in a circular flow. Okay, just consider it as a circle. So inside, so this first phase will be requirement analysis.
Got it.
Okay. If it is a clockwise, if it is anti-clockwise, no worries. Okay. The second phase will be design. The third phase will be development. Right or wrong?
Correct.
The fifth phase, sorry, the fourth phase will be testing. Right?
Got it.
And remaining two phases will be deployment and maintenance. Right? Now how it is? It is in a clockwise. Right?
Got it.
Now, if you consider this diagram in for sprints, okay, if you consider in a sprints, here we are having time boxed events. Sprint is a time box. Based upon time, we are working here. Okay.
Okay.
How it will be, Manoj? I will explain you all those things. Okay. Right now, you understand this diagram, right?
I got it.
Yes, I will show you in here also. Agile methodology SDLC steps. See here how it is, right? It will be in a circular way. Okay.
Circular way. Correct.
Yes, that means if you complete the sixth step, now what you have to do, you cannot go back, right? Now you have to come to again first step. Requirement analysis, design. This diagram is little bit okay. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? After completing this, what you are doing, you are again going for the requirements. Only you are going for the first phase, right? So like that, what we are doing is, by using this agile methodology, we are working in agile development. Okay, agile methodology. Right. So let me draw the framework. Okay, I mean agile methodology. Right. So previously, Manoj, you said that if we have the requirements 100%, then only we are going for the second phase, right?
Got it.
In waterfall methodology, what I said, if we have 100% of requirements, right? If we have 100% of requirements, then only we are going for the second phase. Am I right or wrong?
Correct. Absolutely.
But here don't require 100%. We don't require 100. Then how much, Manoj? 90? 80? How much percentage we require? It depends. Okay. It depends upon the client. If he gives us 100%, no problem. If he gives 50%, no problem. If he gives 10%, also no problem. Okay. Manoj, he has added only 10%. No problem. Just consider this 100% of tickets will be 1,000. Okay, what is it? 10% of 1,000?
So 10% is 100.
100, right? So it will be 100 tickets. Am I right or wrong? 100 tickets in the sense, can you complete the 100 tickets in 2 weeks in a sprint wise?
Depends.
Manoj, I don't know,
on-
Manoj. I don't know
Right.
about this sprint. Okay,
Right.
no problem. Simple. Here, just consider in a 2 weeks
Mm-hmm.
or 1 week or 3 weeks or
Mm-hmm.
4 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Can you complete 100 tickets? No, it's not possible.
Mm-hmm.
Manoj, for us, it is taking only 10 to 15 tickets for 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Right.
To complete this 100 tickets, it will take around 4 to 5 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
That means 4 to 5 weeks, we have some requirements, right or wrong?
Right.
Next 4 to 5 weeks, what this management people will do is they will work for another 10 more percentage.
Okay.
Okay, they will work for 10 more percentage again. Based on that, we are going to work. Understood, right?
Got it.
Right.
So
Give me a second.
this.
Give me a second.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So, okay. So, how we are going to manage all these things, Manoj? It will be like a headache, right? Yes, it's like a headache only. But if you understand this methodology, it's very easy and very flexible, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's very
Mm-hmm.
easy and very flexible. How,
Right.
Manoj? The
Mm.
understanding is the key. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Understanding is the key. Now, I told you, right? So, the product owner brought 10 percentage.
Mm.
Okay? We will learn from very least only.
Mm.
Because it's very hard. Okay, if you learn hard, it will be very easy for you to add 50% of items, 70% of items, right?
Right. Right. Right.
So I will tell you, just we are having 100 tickets here.
Mm.
Okay, let me take it in a different colors so that it will be attractive and you can learn very easily. Okay, so
Yeah.
just consider
Mm.
these 3 colors or 100 tickets. Don't say, Manoj, those are only 9 lines or 10 lines. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. No.
Okay, these are around 100 tickets. That's what I'm
Right.
saying. These are around 100 tickets.
Right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Manoj, what is this block
Mm.
or what is this square? In Agile methodology, we are going to keep the requirements in one place.
Product backlog.
Yes, that's storage, right? We are calling it as a storage for our example purpose. Storage.
Okay.
Okay. Just consider you have 100 acres of field,
Correct.
right? You are doing paddy farm, right?
Mm.
Rice grains, right? So what you do 100 acres in the sense, every farm you will get around 100 kg bags of rice, around what we can say 100 to 200 bags.
Right. Right.
I don't know, just I'm giving an example.
Yeah,
Okay, 100 bags for 1 acre. Okay, so you have 100 acres. So that how many bags you will get?
100 into 100.
100 into 100. That is around 10,000, right?
10,000.
10,000 bags, you will get it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where you will keep all these 10,000 in your house,
We go down somewhere.
in go down or somewhere, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you have a large requirements, where you are keeping it? In a go down.
Correct.
So here also what we have n number of tickets.
Mm-hmm.
This is like a go down.
Okay.
That go down name, we are going to call it as product backlog. What it is, please by heart all these things. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Product backlog. If you know, no problem. If you don't know, just by heart it.
Sure.
For just now only. Okay. Don't by heart for real time.
Yeah.
Product backlog. Okay. We calling it as a product backlog.
Mm-hmm.
Manoj, what is product backlog? Product backlog is nothing but keeping the requirements in one place. All the project requirements.
Mm-hmm.
Keeping all the project requirements in one place. That is called as product backlog. Understood?
Yeah, but Manoj, who does that?
Yes, product owner.
Product.
Okay, product owner. I will write it. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So, who is responsible to create this? Product owner.
Okay.
Product owner is responsible to create this. Okay. Now my question is, Manoj, I'm the developer. Okay, I am the developer. Now here, this blue color line is having some mistakes. Okay, as a developer, can I raise a question? Okay. No, it's not your, it's not your responsibility.
Okay.
Okay. Developer is not responsible for product backlog. Who is responsible for product backlog? Product owner is responsible for product backlog.
Right.
Okay. If someone, next to your house, someone is having a lot of issues in their house, are you responsible for that?
No.
No. Husband and wife will take care of that.
Correct.
But you should not involve in it.
Right.
Whenever they came into your house and they are doing some arrogance to you, then you have to involve in it, because that is your house.
Correct.
Right or wrong? Here also the same thing. Here, whatever he writes, if he writes Bhagavad Gita, if he writes Quran, or if he writes any other books, we are not responsible. Manoj, this is a banking domain, but he is writing something. No, we are not responsible. Why? Because whatever things are happening in the product backlog, that product backlog will be taken care by the product owner only.
Right.
Manoj, okay, in that case, when we are going to involve, right? In that case, when we are going to involve in this, so we are going to involve whenever. Oh, sorry, let me take it backlog. So for developers, we are having separate backlog. Okay, that is called as sprint backlog. What we are calling it as?
Sprint backlog.
Sprint backlog. Okay, we are calling it as a sprint backlog. Manoj, what is this sprint backlog? So, Manoj, previously you said that you are not working here. Whatever the product owner is giving to me, you are not working here, right? So, where the developers will work? Developers will work in sprint backlog.
Sprint backlog.
Right? How they will work, Manoj? Here, from product backlog to sprint backlog. Okay? Habituate the terminology. From product backlog to sprint backlog, product owner will bring some requirements from this 100. Okay? From this 100, product owner will bring some requirements to the sprint backlog.
Got it.
How many, Manoj? I don't know. He might bring 100 also. No problem in that. Right or wrong? If he brings 100 also, no problem in that. Okay. I will give you another example. Okay. You went to a party. Okay. You married, right?
Yeah.
You went to a party with you and your wife along with them. You went to a party. Right? So you sit on a table. Now the people brought a large buffet in front of you. Can you eat all the things?
No.
No. How much you can eat? You can eat that thing only, right?
Correct.
You can eat one plate of chicken biryani or one plate of mutton biryani. That's it.
Correct.
Right? Or else, if you have some other space inside you, you can have a dessert, or if you have a soup, you can have a cold drink. That's it. That's the max.
Correct.
Okay. In my case, I can eat only one plate of biryani. That's it. More than enough. No need for water also. Okay. I can fill with that. So everyone is having different types of requirements, right?
Correct.
Compared with me, compared with you, compared with your wife, compared with my wife, compared with my friends, right or wrong? Compared with my colleagues, someone will eat more, someone will eat less, right or wrong?
Correct.
It depends. Here also the same thing. How, Manoj? How it will depend? It depends upon the seniority of the developers, right? How much seniority is having, how much of work he can do. Manoj, if he has 10 years of experience, can he complete 50 tickets? No, it's not like that. The workflow, how can he work? The workflow. Okay, I can work how can I say? Yes, I can work as a 2 years of experience in developer. I can work one ticket in a day. But 10 years experienced person, he can work 2 tickets in a day.
Right.
because he knows all the coding, right? But I am not that much sure about the coding.
Correct.
Right? So based upon the experience, it matters. Here also the same thing. If the product owner brings 100 requirements to the sprint backlog, how many tickets we can complete? Based on that only, we are going to pick the tickets. Okay. Just consider he brought 100 tickets, right? Manoj, how can I ensure that I can complete only this much of tickets only? Before this, we are having capacity planning. Okay, based upon capacity planning, we are picking the tickets. Okay, what is what is meant by capacity planning, Manoj? I will explain this in 7th day or 8th day. Okay, it will take some time. Okay. Based upon this capacity planning, we are picking the tickets. Okay. Just remove this capacity planning from your mind. Okay. Now what the product owner did is he brought 100 tickets, and based upon your capacity, you have taken only 10 tickets. Okay. That's for sure. 10 tickets. Okay. You have taken only 10 tickets in the sprint backlog. Now, how many tickets are there here in product backlog?
90
left. Right or wrong? 90 tickets are left. Here, 10 tickets are there. If you both combine product backlog, sprint backlog, it will be 100.
Correct.
Right? So now what you are doing is, now, before, how you have taken this 10 tickets based upon capacity, right or wrong?
Correct.
Where you work, I mean, at what place you have completed this? We have a meeting.
Okay.
That meeting is called as sprint planning meeting. Okay. By using the sprint planning meeting, you are going to pick the tickets. Okay. Here, sprint planning. Why I am writing like this? Let me write here. Sprint planning meeting. Okay. Right. Sprint planning meeting. Based upon sprint planning meeting, we are going to pick the tickets. Manoj, how the sprint planning meeting works, I will explain afterwards. Okay. Not now. Okay. Right. So now how many tickets you have picked?
10 gone.
10 tickets you have taken. How you have taken? Based upon capacity plan. Now how you have to do? You have, sorry. Now you have to work in a time basis. Okay. That time basis, we are going to call it as a sprint. Okay. Okay. How this sprint works, Manoj? Okay. Here we are having sprint. Right. Sprint is nothing but it's a time boxed event. Right? Time box event. Manoj, this sprint planning meeting is also time boxed event, right? Yes, absolutely. Okay, but not right now. Okay, just for our understanding, don't get a lot of headache in your mind. Okay, don't keep everything in your mind. Just whatever I'm saying, just understand these things. In future, I will definitely explain you. Okay, here you can have in see here I will explain you this analysis.
Okay.
Yeah. Everything will with very clearly and very. I will explain all those things. Okay. But right now, we don't require that much.
Okay.
To understanding this framework, we don't require. Okay. Right. So this sprint is a time boxed event. Right or wrong? How much of time we require, Manoj? This sprint is calculated in 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and 4 weeks. Okay. This sprint is having 4 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to choose any one of this.
So these are standard, Manoj? 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4. So
yes,
we cannot
standard.
go beyond 4. So you have to limit to 4.
Yes, limit to 4.
So whatever the developers can do within a time bound of 4 weeks, they should pick up according to their capacity, right? That's what they.
Yes.
Got it.
Okay. They have to complete they have to choose anyone. Who is going to choose this? No, I'm asking you.
I think the team. Development team.
No, product owner will decide. Okay.
Product owner will decide. Okay.
Yeah,
Product
product
owner will
owner.
decide the priority of this backlog, right?
Yes, he will decide the priority of the back. Not priority.
Mm-hmm.
Priority is different.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, priority we are not going to discuss here. Okay, we
Okay.
are going to discuss the priority in Jira. Okay,
Okay.
he will decide the tickets. What the developer has to do. While deciding the tickets, he will
Mm-hmm.
decide based upon our team size.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if our team size is
Mm-hmm.
5 to 6 people, our
Mm-hmm.
team size is less, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then he will go for 2 weeks of sprint.
Okay.
If the team size is 9 or 10, he will go for 3 or 4.
Okay.
Four,
So
4 weeks.
sprint cycle is being decided by product owner, correct?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
This
not
will
by
be
the
this.
developer team.
Yes, it's not decided by the Scrum Master or any other developers or any other team members. Okay. Manoj, what if the product owner don't have idea about deciding the sprint? Okay, then we can decide. Okay, developers and Scrum Master will decide the sprint. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Manoj, how they can decide? We are going to have a meeting with them, with the clients. Okay, we are going to have a meeting with the clients. In that meeting, if the clients knows about these things, okay. If the client don't know anything about this agile methodology, how we are working, so at that time we can explain to the clients how we are going to work in agile methodology, how the work will flow. All these things we are going to explain to the clients. Okay, based on that we are going to choose. Ultimately, 99 percentage we will go for 2 weeks of sprint only. Understood?
Okay, got it.
Okay, a 99 percentage we can work in 2 weeks of sprint only. Okay, so some cases they will go for 3 weeks and some cases they will go for 4 weeks based upon the priorities. If they wants to complete a lot of tickets, then they will go for 3 weeks or 4 weeks so that the team can pick some more tickets, right? Hello.
Correct, correct, Manoj.
In that cases, they will go for sprint length. Okay. Now just consider our sprint length is 2 weeks.
Hmm.
How many days we have in a 2 weeks?
So 40 days, 5, 5, 10.
14 days, right? This is the total days in 2 weeks. But what are the working days?
10.
Sorry, how much?
10, 10.
10 days. Right or wrong? Monday to Friday, Monday to Friday. In these 10 days, these are going to call it as working days.
Hmm.
In these working days, what we are going to do, we are going to complete these 10 tickets. Understood now?
Mm-hmm.
We are going to complete these 10 tickets and we are going to do what? We are going to do deliver. Okay, we are going to do some delivery. We are going to do some deliver. What is this deliver, Manoj? We are going to deliver the 10 tickets to clients.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, clients in the sense stakeholders.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, stakeholders will come and the stakeholders will review the tickets. Actually, we have done some tickets, right? 10 tickets.
Right.
We have completed the 10 tickets, right? Now
Right,
they will
right.
come and they will check the 10 tickets here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, they will check the 10 tickets. Based upon their description,
Mm-hmm.
did we complete it or not?
Okay.
If we completed, these 10 tickets will be delivered. How they will deliver all these things, I will explain you.
Okay.
Okay, just consider 9 tickets, we did well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 9 tickets, we did well. And 1
Mm-hmm.
ticket, not up to that mark.
Okay.
What we have to do?
It will go back.
It will go back to the product
Product
backlog.
backlog.
Okay, it will go back to the product backlog and 9 tickets will be deliverables.
Okay.
Okay, 9 tickets will be delivered. Okay,
Okay.
this is called as sprint review meeting. What
Mm-hmm.
it is?
Print review.
Sprint review meeting.
Right.
Right? Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Now, if you deliver 10 tickets, something will be tell by the, the clients will say you something. Okay. If you deliver 9 tickets, the client will tell you something. If you deliver only 1 ticket, the client will tell you something. Right or wrong? Based upon your development, what you have developed, the client will tell you something. Right or wrong?
Correct.
It might be exclamations or it might be appreciations, right?
Correct.
Right. Now, what we are doing is, we are having next to this, after completing the sprint review meeting, we are having another meeting. That meeting is called as sprint retrospective meeting. Okay.
Yeah.
Sprint retrospective meeting. Okay. What is this sprint retrospective manager? So right now you are a starter, right? So try to learn sprint retrospective. Okay.
Right.
We have this knowledge, right? So we going to call it as retro.
Hmm.
We have a retro meeting, right? But
Okay.
try to speak in this way: sprint retrospective, sprint retrospective. Okay. If you say in interview retro, it won't be good.
Correct.
Okay. So you have to learn like this: sprint review, sprint retrospective meeting, sprint. Okay. Sprint planning meeting. Okay. You have to speak in this way.
Okay.
Right. And in this sprint retrospective meeting, whatever the client said, okay, the client said something, right? Based on that, we are going to discuss the things here. Okay. The current sprint and to the future sprint. Understood? The client said in a good way. Okay. There is no explanations. We got a appreciations. Right? What we are going to do? We are going to talk with the team members how we got the appreciations. Right? So we should not let that down. We should be in a focused in every sprint how we have done all the things up to now. We have to do all these things in the future sprints also. Okay. So Manoj, what about the we got a negative feedback? Yes, there should be a root cause analysis. How we got the negative feedback? On what basis we got the negative feedback? We have to discuss this, right? So based on that, we have to find some root cause, and we have to get some what we can say. We have to get the inputs. Okay, Manoj, where we can write all these things? We are going to write all these things in the Jira board only. Okay. Okay, in the retrospective template will be there. In that template, we are going to write. Okay. Now we got a negative feedback. For the future feedback, we should not get that. Right? For that reason, what are the inputs we need to be improved? Okay. What are the inputs we need to be give over there? We are going to give in that retrospective meetings, and we are going to monitor all. We are going to take that as a feedback. And for the future sprints, as a Scrum Master, I should not make that happen. Understood?
Yes.
Right. So that is the sprint review meeting. And finally, we are having another thing that is called as product increment. Okay, this is called as a product increment.
Right.
What is this? What is meant by product increment, Manoj? So initially, I told you, right? Some companies will deploy the product by sprint by sprint. Some companies will deploy the product. Some companies will deploy the product in version by version. Okay. We are going to call it as a build by build, like a 3 months of release. So, yeah, Go ahead.
So Manoj, one question: when the first sprint is over, so and we are done with the sprint retrospective meeting, okay, till that time, the product which is delivered to customer, is it a version, when we call it a version one product? So is it a
No, no,
product
no.
which is
No, no, no. It's not the version one. Okay. So we should not say that. Okay. It's a piece of software.
piece of software, right? So that is not go to market live.
It won't go to be in a live.
Okay.
Okay. It won't be deployed. The deployed in the sense, what we are doing is we are keeping in the product increment.
Okay.
Okay. This 100 tickets or version one.
Okay.
Did we complete it in sprint one, 100 tickets?
No.
No. To complete this, how many sprints it will take? It will take around roughly 6 to 7 sprints.
6 to 7 sprints.
What we are doing all the 6 to 7 sprints, we are keeping all the tickets in the product increment.
Right.
Right?
So
There is a place called it as a product increment. In this product increment, we are going to store all the tickets. At the time comes, okay, all the tickets will be deployed to the DevOps team. This DevOps team will check all the tickets in their environment. If there is no bugs, everything is satisfied, then we are going to deploy the DevOps team will keep the tickets, or we are going to say that it's a version one, right?
Okay.
They will deploy the project in the version one.
Okay.
Or else new features has been added for the next 6 months. That in next 6 months tickets will be stored in the product increment.
Okay.
Okay. After that, what we are doing? We are deploying that for the next sprint. Okay. For your mobile, iPhone 15, are you getting the updates every week?
Almost no.
It will take around 2 to 3 months for every update.
Right.
Right or wrong? So if I have an iPhone 16, what I'm going to do? If I have an iPhone 16, today I got an update. Tomorrow I won't get any update, right?
Correct.
So if I want to have a version update, it will take at least 3 months. Right or wrong? If I get everyday update, what is the major drawback?
Everyday update, I don't know. Everyday update will unnecessary.
My data will be lost.
Yeah.
I mean, my storage will be lost, right?
Correct.
It's keep on increasing my storage. Then no one will use iPhone. Right? So that's the reason what they do is they will specifically release versions like in a monthly basis, like a 3 months or any 4 months. Okay. If you go to Samsung, they will release the updates for every 4 months or any 5 months. Okay. Based on that, we are going to work. If you get the new updates, we are going to get new features. Right or wrong?
Right.
Yes, that's how it will be. Any doubts?
No.
Here we are having another meeting that is called as daily stand-up meeting.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many days we are working here? 10 days, right? In 10 days, every day, 15 minutes. Okay. Every day, 15 minutes, we are going to have daily stand-up meeting.
So does in real production scenario also held for 15 minutes only, or it extends to 30 minutes?
No, it will be held for 15 minutes only. If it extends, a few more minutes, that's it.
Oh, so it is actually strictly following.
It will complete in 15 minutes. Okay, but in the interview point of view, you should not say that it will extend for few more minutes.
Right.
Okay, I know that. Yes, it's a time box, right? I know that in real time it will extend for me 2 to 3 more minutes. Because I have a 10 developers in one team.
And also, yeah, please.
Yes, Avnish.
So also there's a term called definition of done, right? Where is that definition done?
Not here. We use it in the tickets.
Tickets. Okay.
Yes, I will explain all those things. I do have the sheets, definition of done, definition of ready.
So all this PPTs which are, not PPT, the whiteboards. So that also you're gonna share?
Yeah, I will share to you. Oh, okay. You are asking this one, huh?
The whiteboards diagrams.
This one?
Whiteboard diagrams.
Okay. You want this one?
Yes, that's the explanation.
Oh, okay. No worries. You can have here. Agile methodology framework. You can easily get it.
Okay.
Okay. See here.
Okay, my only point was the way you have explained it. You can give me more clarity.
Okay, okay. Then I will save this and I will send it to
Yeah,
you. Okay, because
that's,
it's not completed yet.
yeah, that's okay.
It's not completed yet. Tomorrow I will say you, and tomorrow I will complete, and
Yeah, yeah.
I will go for it. Okay, let me
Correct,
save
correct.
this.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that
just save it so that I will have a reference.
right.
Actually, this gives a bit clarity, right?
Oh, okay, okay. Up to now, no one said that. No one asked me.
Oh, is it?
No one
I,
asked me because
I think this is a better way to recall what we have discussed.
yes, yes. Up to now, I have some what we can say. This part. I do have some diagrams with me. I do keep some photos. So I usually explain to them by the framework. At the end of the day, I usually give to him. See here, this is the waterfall, right?
Correct.
See how the waterfall is. So I usually give this diagram.
But I think whatever we discuss on whiteboard is going to help more.
Okay, okay. Then I will definitely share it to you. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Right. You see, this is the framework. So up to now, what we have learned, this is the framework.
Right.
So this is the increment. So tomorrow I will explain the increment, and we need to have some more part is there. Okay. I will explain all those things, and I will give you this.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Or else let me take the snip. Okay. Tomorrow I will take the snip and I will give you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay then. Any doubts, Avnesh?
No, as of now looks good.
Okay then. Right. And tomorrow we need to understand about the frameworks also.
And
frameworks.
whatever the technologies we are going to discuss, for example, like we have discussed about the product owner, Scrum Master, product backlog, sprint review, what is sprint. All those terminologies, do I need to learn it from Google and other resources, or do you have any documentation in something?
For what? I mean,
What terminologies?
Terminal, nothing is there. If anyone asks you what is product backlog, you can read it in Google also. No problem in that.
That's all right.
That's more than enough. Google document is more than enough. Okay. The way is how you are conveying it. That's it. Correct. I will give you some materials. Okay. No problem in that. I will give you some materials. Okay.
I got it. Sure.
Yeah, I will give you some materials. If you want to read my material, you can read it. Okay. Manoj, I want to prepare my own notes.
I have one Agile book from PMI.
Okay.
That should be okay, right? For different, that's for different.
Let me give you some books also. I do have some books.
And one of my friends gave me this coaching Agile teams. I have not gone through because I was not interested that time.
I forgot here. I do have some books.
But that's okay. My only concern is if I prepare for an interview.
Oh, okay. No, I do have some books. I forgot where I kept it.
Okay. That's okay. Anytime, whenever we have.
Let me check and I will give you. Okay.
Sure, Manas. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
So tomorrow I'm going to meet Manas. Like, what is the plan?
Tomorrow we don't have a class. Okay.
Okay. So Monday we're gonna meet.
Monday we will connect. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Sure. Have a good time. Take care, Manas.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.